Hello and welcome back to the Healthcare Uncomplicated YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get amazing content every week. Also check our partners for more news. Also check all the previous content there for you. Amazing subjects, amazing guests. But today I have another amazing leader and guest for you. Today I have Alan Thomas. He's the CEO and founder at Ataxia and me. Alan, how are you?
Hello. Very well, thank you. I don't know if I live up to your words, but yeah, we'll try.
Can you hear me okay? Yeah?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah,
Brilliant.
I think there's a bit of a delay between the countries, but yeah, good.
Yeah, Alan, nice to see you.
And you. It's been quite a long time.
It's been a long time, yeah. We know each other for a long time. I follow your amazing work.
Thank you.
And today we are here to discuss the topic rare disease using social media and the role in digital health. The first question, Alan, for you is what is ataxia?
Right, ataxia is a condition of the cerebellum or the small brain, and it affects balance, speech, and coordination. And quite a lot of people are accused of being drunk because of those symptoms, but that's not the case unless it's the weekend.
Right.
That's,
Brilliant.
that's a basic overview.
Thank you. Is that a kind of a complex rare disease, Alan, right?
Yes, it is very complex, with ataxia being, in medical terms, a symptom and a condition. So it's a double-edged sword.
Sure. Thank you. And the second question for you, Alan, is how digital health positively impacts rare disease patients?
Well, I think it's a positive platform to be able to connect with other patients with a rare disease, and actually get the awareness of each rare disease out to the general public. And it's good that we can talk patient to patient and gain more experience of a daily living, a daily condition.
Brilliant. Certainly, social media and digital health is really important. And you are very active on social media. Maybe you want to tell anything around that about your account and about what you're trying to do?
Yes, well, we're very active on all platforms of social media. Well, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Uh, we try to keep ourselves active on social media, like I said, to get the awareness of the condition, learn from other people, and just generally keep in touch with everything that's going on.
Oh, brilliant. Very important points there, Alan. I mean, learning from other people, certainly the education side is very important. And also to raise the awareness. You know, raising the awareness is fundamental in here. Don't you agree?
Boy, definitely. Raising the awareness is so important, and using social media is a very important aspect because most platforms are free. So for a small charity, it's a good way of using advertising without paying.
Sure. And the last question that I have for you, Alan, is what's important for rare disease patients?
The important thing for a rare disease patient, I think, is, like I said, getting communication out there and talking to each person, person to person, and just generally learning everything that's going on to help people be empowered with their own health condition. And by doing so, I think the knock on effect of that is anyone else on the platform can learn as well.
Brilliant. Alan, brilliant. Thank you so much. Look, we coming to the end of the episode. I appreciate your time, but also let me congratulate you on your great work. You're very active for a number of years. We actually met each other very first time in Paris, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
It was
in
probably
Paris,
2015, wasn't it?
I think it was. Yeah, yeah.
It's been a long while. I follow
Wow.
you. I follow your work.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Before we round up, I have one last little question for you. How can we make healthcare uncomplicated?
Right, the easiest way to answer that would be to listen to the person, not do things to them, but do things with them. I think that makes a big difference. And learning by social media and digital health, you can accomplish those things.
Brilliant. Alan, I'm going to wrap up now. Let me tell you again, thank you so much for your time, for being in here, and for being a very strong advocate for this important, raise the awareness around these important issues around rare disease.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to see you again.
Thank you, Alan. I'm going to round up now to all our viewers and listeners. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm going to post here the links to connect with Alan on social media. He's got the Ataxia and Me organization, is a charity. Support him, follow him, engage with him. He's very active, and I'll see you all next week.